Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to, they say cut out, but I think they mean they want to take out this pointed part and just have the inside circle. And to make it like that, I kind of already did it. There's a couple more things you could do. So I reduced this in size. It's over 20 inches and only made it 2. So I always take a duplicate and make it so in case I mess up, I can go back. I'm going to take this and go trace bitmap, outline trace clip art. It does it really fast. I'm going to go ahead and go here and remove color from entire image. And then I just get that. So if we take a black box, I really like using yellow, but we're going to see what it looks like black. Order back a page. That's what you get. Now, that other part is white, or it wouldn't be there. So what I'm going to do now is go to Object and Group and ungroup it. And I'm going to see what happens to the white. And it took away the black. Because evidently there wasn't any black there. It was just white. And if we take, well, I moved it and I need to move it all. But anyway, what I'm trying to do is I'm going to move this out of the way for a second. And I think the image is still there because if we go to view and wireframe, the image is still there. Then it just depends on and for anybody in the future, when you email me or leave a message, and I give you my email and you email me, tell me what you're going to do. Are you going to engrave this? You're going to print it. So if we look at it under yellow, what's there is there, but I don't know, do you want it to be black? We could change all the whites to black if you were going to maybe engrave this. And see, you got right there, and then you could go in and fill in the other blacks and do whatever you want to with it. But if you want it just like it was, there it is. And it doesn't have any of that background. But it's not transparent. It's white and gray. And, looks like a peace pipe on a redwood tree. If that's all you need, because you could print this on dark blue and get that. So it's, some pieces are transparent and the white is not. Anyway, I'm sure he'll get back to me if I misunderstood him. But I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.